What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and today I am back with another video. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm back with another Shein haul. You know me, the Shein queen. Like that is the only place I shop from, because that is the only place I realized that they have clothes that can fit me and it's affordable. All right, let's not bullshit. It's cheap and I like them. So yeah, cheap and clean queen, me that, period. All right, so without further ado, let's get on into the video. So the first item we're gonna start off with is this one that I'm wearing right now, and this is the Drawstring side crop halter top in a size small. I really wanted an extra small, but I don't think they had that. I really love the strings at the side. I love that this top is adjustable, but the way that I would typically wear it is with it tightened all the way to the top, so it has this little, you know, this little thing going on right here. So yeah, if you are a little bit bigger than me, you can still fit a size small, because I do think this is still a little bit roomy. I would have preferred if it was much tighter. And if you are someone who doesn't like to have your nips out, then get some pasties, you know, that bra, those, what do you call them, nipple covers. Yeah, get those so they don't be poking through. I just don't care. So that's that. On to the next. So the next item that I'll be showing you, I also have it on as well, are these shorts. I don't know if you can really see them that well, but anyways, they're the raw hem ripped denim shorts in an extra small. This is the first time I bought shorts from Shein, and they fit perfectly, like perfectly. You don't need to alter any at all. The waist is fine, the legs are fine, it's perfect. Well, I'm lying, it's not perfect, because the rips in the jeans, it's weird. It will literally show your underwear, so you have to be careful what type of underwear you wear underneath the shorts. You'll see in the clip beside me, I don't know which side I have it on. It's just a weird cut, but my business, me still wear it. Just make sure y'all shave. Make sure y'all shave, because I remember one time I tried to put this on and I didn't shave, and all of them hairs was sticking out through the side. Like, what? How can I have on shorts and you're seeing my bikini line? That is weird. But yeah, just make sure you shave and you wear the proper underwear. Don't wear no lace. You know, if anything, wear like those booty shorts type of underwear. You know, the why is it every time I'm doing a video a car needs to pass or something? Like, I don't get it. But yeah. So the next item I have is this drawstring knot butterfly leopard dress, and this is what it looks like. Not on me. Looks a little bit, I don't know, when I first took it out of the package I was like, I don't like this. I'm not sure if I like this, because it looked so good on the model, and I'm like, is this the same dress even? But then when the girl put it on, as you can see over there, or over there, whichever side, girl was snatched to the T. Like, I don't know, I have a new obsession with anything that is adjustable. So you can make this as long as you want, or you can make it as short as you want, and it'll still look good. And I even have this thing where I do with the straps that I kind of like do it off the shoulder, or I put one up and one down, or both of them up as it should be worn. And I like the fact that it's also adjustable, so you have the adjustable thingy in the back. Yeah, it's just overall a really nice dress, and it is very stretchy. So again, if you are a little bit bigger than me, you will definitely look good in this. What size did I get? I got it in an extra small. So even if you are a little bit bigger than me, you could fit an extra small. Yeah girl, get you this dress. Once again, I will have my measurements and the links to all the items that I got. If you don't see a link there, it's because I can't find it. And I don't know why I shouldn't be able to find it, but yeah, I should be able to find them. So just make sure you look in the description for all that information before you come in the comments and ask me stuff that I already said. Okay? All right, on to the next. All right, next we have this cute little top. Well, this is supposed to be tied. It does not look very cute right now, and you guys must be wondering, this little thing can fit you? Yes, it can. And it also can stretch. So if you're a size small, this can fit you too. But I believe this was, yes, this was an extra small. And this is the frill trim tie front Shirred tube top. As you can see over there, you can either tie it with the bow, or you can do like me and take it out for a whole new look. And I just really liked this. Would you call this a champagne color? I just really love the color. I realize I keep buying too much black and white clothing, and I have nothing that is like colored. Like, I know this is not bright colors, but still, come on, give me a chance, people. I'm trying. You realize about this is red. I saw the black and I literally put it in my cart and it said no, Shelby, get a different color. So yeah, get this, people, get this, get this, get this. The next thing that I got is the solid crop tank top and short set out of the package. The biker shorts look like this. I think I tried it on before I did this haul, but I cannot remember. I cannot remember exactly how it, I think it fit well. I do think it fit well, but I maybe would have preferred if this was tighter. I don't know. You'll see it on the screen. And this is the top that came with it. Has a little V-cut right here that I like. It, you know, just gives the top a little more pizzazz. It's not so plain. It is a ribbed material. It is also very stretchy, and it is really comfortable. I mean, please do not expect to go on Shein and get the cheap clothes and expect this high-end quality, okay? You're not get it. You just have to read the description of all the items to make sure you know what kind of material you're getting. Read the reviews. I realize people don't be reading the reviews and you don't look in the description, and then you're cussed when you get something and it's not what you expected. They literally state everything in the description. So if you see something that looks like really big in the picture, read the description and look at the measurements. Get your tape measure, your ruler, whatever, and you will see the actual size. Next item I got were these shorts. I really liked these when I saw them. This is the, what are they called? The ripped raw hem wash denim shorts in extra small. Now I thought these were gonna fit, but they don't. They are huge. This is the extra small. Maybe it could fit a small, maybe it could fit a medium. I really don't know how sizing works other than a small or extra small, and half the small things don't fit me. So yeah, if you originally wear a size small, I think this would fit you, but it just does not work for me, and this is an extra small. It's just a little bit big, but I think it's still really cute, and I'm just going to take it to a tailor to get it fixed because I really like it. I'm like of jeans shorts, like that is what I've been stocking up on recently. I haven't been buying a lot of like classy clothes, like, you know, the dress pants and the dress shorts and skirts and them type of thing. There I've been stocking up on like casual clothes because I needed to sort out my wardrobe, and I barely have clothes right now because I've had clothes since I was like 10 that could still fit me, and I just never upgraded my wardrobe because I'm like, everything I have since I was that age can still fit. Why do I need new clothes? But that's cap. I need new clothes. So I've been slowly but surely building my wardrobe. Yeah. So Shein is the plug. Next on the list, I bought some drawers because I don't understand how me did have a bag of underwear. Like, I had so much underwear, I would fill up 2 lines, and all of a sudden I cannot find half of them. I don't know if somebody had taken me draw them off of my line, or they're just magically getting up and walking away, or what. So I was like, all right girl, you need to get some more. And I've never bought underwear in Jamaica for myself ever, so I don't know where to shop for that. I don't know where to go. This is what it looks like. I didn't want like thongs. Like, people, ladies, you should not be wearing thongs 24/7, okay? I'm not going to be talking about feminine hygiene in this video, but you should not be wearing thongs 24/7. And honestly, is this a thong? It kind of is. It kind of is, but it's not that bad. It's not that bad, to be honest. And the band is not like extremely thick, but it is thicker than the rest of the underwear. This is very thin and it's a little bit see-through. So I got it in black, I got it in red, I got it in white, and I got it in this greenish mint green looking color. So yeah, I just thought these were really cute, and why not? It was like $7 for $7. I'll put this on the screen. I'll put the prices on the screen to everything as well. And I also got another pair of underwear. I have worn them already, but I believe I haven't worn one, so I'm gonna find that one. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Yeah, something for cover me. And all the while I want wear thongs and all the while I want to go back in a public. Like, give me a break. Give me a break. And it has a nice little thing at the front here, you know, the little strings, you know, show off a little something. It's not like I'm showing it to anybody anyways, but you know, it's just a cute little detail. And yeah, girl, you just want some more drawers, and girl buys more drawers. So yeah, that's that. I think that's the end of the Shein part of this video. Well, for the clothes aspect, I also got some little accessories, if you may call it that. So the first accessory I got, I didn't have a handheld tripod. You know those little, these, I didn't have one of these, so I just wanted to buy a little cheap one, because it's not like, all right, listen, I live in Jamaica. I am not going to take out my vlog and go in public, take out my phone and go in public and vlog, because I don't want anybody to rob me again. So I literally just bought it because if I'm vlogging around the house, or I am in an area that is kind of secluded and I want to vlog and my hand is just so shaky, I cannot hold my phone, so I was like, all right, let me just get one. And I saw it for $4, and it also came with a camera clicker. I have been wanting one of these so bad because I just want to take my own pictures. I am tired of asking people to take my pictures and they do not know how to catch these angles. But done little and maga already. Like, you cannot be taking pictures where I look like a piece of board. I cannot be looking like a piece of ply. You have to do some things. Come on. So anyways, I haven't used this part, but I've used the camera holder that came with it. That's what my phone is in right now, because I'm recording on my phone. And I also started this video using a camera clicker, and you can see that it's on because the light was just flashing a while ago. Sorry if you see me keep looking, I'm just trying to see if the phone is still recording. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has the option for iOS and it has the option for Android. So yeah, if I'm even around the house and I want to take a full body picture and I have nobody to take it, I got my own thing. Just put it up on my tripod and good to go. The next item that I got was this fluffy cushion cover. No, the pillow does not come with any of the cushion covers on Shein. And Shein states that it's a cushion cover, not a cushion plus the cover. So yeah, I got this from them. The colors are a bit off because I wanted this to be like a dark gray, or well, a light gray, and it is gray, but it's more like a blue gray. And that's not what I'm going for with this room decor. So I mean, I still use it because I mean, I have it but I think I'm gonna get a different color. I might get black or white. I mean, how can you mess up black or white? And the last set of accessories or whatever that I got from Shein are these two phone cases. So I got this one and I got this one that says pew pew. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am sweating, I am tired, I am hungry. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every single time I post a video. Your girl is running out of breath because she's thirsty, her lips are getting dry. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.